Hey, and welcome back to another episode of Scale Model Car Chief. I'm Steven. In this episode, we're going to be finishing the final build of the Charlie's Angels series of cars, Farrah Fawcett's Cobra 2. I started this build with an old kit. It was probably in the roughest shape that I've dealt with, but I'm really pleased with the way it turned out. It was kind of a labor of love. Here's the look as a kit, when I started building. Pretty complete kit, missing some parts, but that was okay. I had some spare parts that I could take from. Here, if you see, I masked off the windshield glass and all the plastic windows. I had originally intended on saving them, but as with everything in model building, my plans didn't go according to what I had in mind. After I got the vehicle painted, I removed the masking tape. Everything was just too cloudy. And I had already tried to polish them up some, but you just couldn't really see through them well. So I decided to replace them at that point. Here I'm working on my own custom-made decals or vinyl stickers, with the blue classic striping of the Cobra 2 as seen on the TV show. I just work them into place. I made the complete set, from the Cobra 2 for the doors, the Cobra emblems for the fenders, and the rear spoiler of the car as well. This was one thing I didn't realize when I had originally done it. The sticker that I'm putting on now of the stripes did not appear on the original car, but hey, this is my model and I'll build it. I think it looks good, but somebody with a sharp eye will probably pick that out. Trying to get everything mounted down in place, get any air bubbles out. Here's a classic Cobra 2 door emblem going on. Well, I guess it's more of a sticker, than an emblem, but you get where I'm going with that. Got the passenger side in place. Now we'll look at the completed build. I went with a light blue interior, so you could see some of the details, and I'll have pictures at the end of the video. Farrah Fawcett's car was either a dark blue or a black interior, but I just wanted to be able to see inside the car, and get a feel for the overall build. So I went with a lighter blue. I looked online and I saw a fairly good amount of white Cobra 2s that had this color interior, so I'm not far off, I don't believe. Here's a good shot of the Cobra 2 on the rear spoiler. And for those with a keen eye, there's even a little Cobra on the side window louver vents. Now I've got some pictures coming up of the interior from the passenger side and then the driver's side. I want to thank you for taking time to watch my video. Please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. Have a safe and blessed day.